Okay, a few more things we forgot to talk about. We lightly touched on the estimate system earlier when we were talking about the Holy Grail. Imagine if at the job site you had your letterhead. You had customer's name, address, phone number, whatever. Some notes areas that you wanted to physically write, and a place for her signature. And then imagine if you were to print on that, the little portable printer, the actual estimate with every linear price per foot, square footage, the new water supply, a valve, a gas line, delivery, tear out, whatever you could possibly imagine. Maybe you're going to board the dog. Anything that would be listed on here and a total that she could sign. Very, very, very professional. Okay. Also, if you had the color drawing, it might be a little difficult to see from there, but in this case here, our red bull nose is depicted with an actual bull nose here in the color red. No doubt in her mind as to actually what she picked for what area. And notice it stops here and changes to a green line, which according to this is a demi bull nose or a half bull nose. And all the other lines have color designations, which she will see and know where they're at and know exactly what she's buying, what she paid for it, and she can also sign this. Very helpful. Okay, this is the a lesser expensive way of doing it, and you can also, we will be able to have rather on the computer the ability to physically capture the customer's signature and maybe have all of these files stored digitally, so you could have her sign there and then send her a copy of it later if you don't want to bring a printer to the job site. They're not bad. They're maybe the size of a shoebox and at $400 or $500. I would like to end this segment of the video with something that we offer on our website for those who would not like to talk to a salesman but are interested in how much money they can save with this product. What we've done is work up a clever little spreadsheet that's modifiable by yourself. What you would do here is put in the amount of countertops you do a week, your labor rate, how you comp your employees, what the average mileage is, type of vehicle, whatever, and your scrap rate. And what it does, it spits out a typical savings on a 1-year, 5-year, and 10-year basis. First year deducts the actual cost of all the products you have to buy, and then the remaining savings. But to give you an idea, very typical rate on a 5 kitchen a week fabricator. 5 kitchens a week, $39,254 a year, which I believe is a decent number for a CNC payment. 10 kitchens a week, $91,700 a year, and so on and so forth. It's very simple math. You can actually go to our site and play with this yourself and figure out. Now what we've done here is we've taken the average gas price and reduced it, insurance costs, workman's comp differential, we cut the scrap in half for you. We talked about how that happens with 1 person instead of 2, and the whole thing actually spits it out. But if you look at some of the nice numbers here, if you're pretty typical American fabricator, you're doing 10 tops a week over a 5-year period, it's $500,000. There's not a lot of way not to justify this type of technology. And if you want to hang on and watch the rest of our training CD, this is the training. You'll see this CD. If that's not enough, obviously we talked about before coming in to visit us, or us coming to you, or you can see us at one of the trade shows or one of our many seminars that we run around the country for digital templating. And other than that, I hope you continue to watch the rest of the CD and learn more. Thank you.
The service has been impeccable. The guys just answer any question we need all the time. They're very accessible, and I think it's the best $12,000 I've ever spent.